I will be playing ☬𝘬𝑚𝑖𝑛 and I heard that there is a huge update. First of all, let's just select our plane. Where is it? Oh, there. There. Okay. Wait. Wow. Okay, there's this new destination called Dubai. I'm just gonna buy it right now. Okay, I'm actually excited, and I heard this new food. I bought some, but not all. I'm not buying. Oh wait, let me just sleep past. And there's a lip balm. Let me just. Oh, nice. I think, yeah, that's all I'm going to buy. Max items. Oh, that's sad. I think that's all. Yeah. I also heard there's a new emergency. Yeah, I can't try it out because I don't have the Game Pass. Let's just hire all of them. You know what? I don't care where they are. Wait, I don't want any of them to be in first class. Anywhere but first class. Okay, good. Oh my god, I am lagging. Okay, three. Alexa only does this for Skybucks. Crazy, but I also agreed with her. I only do this for Skybucks. I mean, if I was a flight attendant, I would do that only for Skybucks. In this game, of course. I mean, that's it. Because I'm really broke. Just see, only 16,000, not even enough to afford the next plane. Is my quality too high? I think I need to. I'll check. Let me just check. Yeah, it's too high. Okay, wait. I was wondering why I was lagging. No. Okay, just wait, there's also new lighting. Yeah, lighting. Okay, why did I say it like that? ☬ goes there. Oh, cheetahs. Go. Okay, let me just start serving them. Oh my god, how do you do? Let me just see. Yeah, how do you do, Baba? That's ginger ale, right? No, that's guava juice. Yeah, guava juice. You want a Pepsi? No, that's not Pepsi. What does she want? Oh, blueberry juice. I forgot that existed. Does bro want coffee? What does bro want? Green tea. Oh, I forgot. Bro, I just gave green tea. Okay. Let me just close these curtains. Oh, that was actually fast business class boarding. Let me just close these curtains. I wonder what are the challenges for today. I mean, like the new thing. Yeah, I have already explored these are new things. Let me just check. 200. Yeah, I don't. Let me just. Let me just do this. Cups. Go there. Yeah, egg sandwich. Oh my god. Why is she not doing it? Do I really need to help her? Oh. Okay, I get it. It is locked. Oh yeah. Yeah, sorry. Oh my god, I need to put my volume. What? A keen celebrity. Oh my god, I do not know how to spell and say. I can say perfectly in my mind, but no, not when I'm saying it out loud. Okay, so now what do we need to do? Let me just use that. Yeah, there we go. I'll let that curtain be open. Oh my god, did my flight attendants just leave the work to me? God, my flight attendants are really lazy. They're so lazy. Yeah, everything's okay. I really have to do this all by myself. Nobody's gonna help me. Yeah. Now what do I need to do? Not all overhead bins are closed. Huh? Not all yet. Something's fishy. Oh, it's right here. Is the hair for me? Who's hair? Okay. I swear I heard someone saying that. Okay, cutting your hair. Why was she bald for a second? Okay. Time to do this gallery. This, the biggest gallery in the plane, but still not even enough food. Okay. Yeah, I forgot I'm in this mode where I just like skip to. Yeah, but it's.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.
Oh, right,
Flight
hold on.
attendant should start their
Oh my god, not all.
Relax,
Yeah,
and enjoy
okay.
the flight.
I'm going first class. Um, he stay. You still what? Blueberry juice. Yeah, I think he likes blueberry juice. I don't know. Yeah, Coca-Cola. That makes special. Pasta. I love pasta. To be honest, it's been so long today since I ate pasta. Like, it was the best when I ate pasta. Like, I liked it so much. There was this restaurant with the pasta, but I wanted to try the other one so bad. But like, seriously, that tasted like that thing. I don't know why I wanted that so much other than pasta. Okay, this person wants eggnog. Okay, I also want eggnog. I'm being honest, but there is no winter in my country, so we are gonna deal with summer. I mean, yeah, there is winter in one place, but I actually forgot. Green team. Wait, sorry. Hot chocolate. Boy, it's not Christmas. But I think you're sick. Ice cream sundae. I like ice cream sundae. I actually never eat ice cream sundae. I don't think I can because I get sick because of ice creams. Okay, my flight attendants are doing it well. Let me just crackers. Oh my god. Egg sandwich. I would like to try it. Okay, we are done finally.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We've started our initial
I think
descent.
there's gonna be an
Thanks
emergency.
for flying with us. We hope to see you
Can
again
we
soon.
just change the lighting? Let me just help out my flight attendants because they're so slow. Maybe even slower than a snail. I mean, they're not slower than a snail, but they are to me. Wait, I also heard like the passengers like will get stuck in the laboratory. That's actually kind of cool. I mean, I would love to trap one of you guys here, but this is just a big plane. How can I know if anyone gone there? I'm actually glad we have such less passengers.
Flight attendant.
Oh my god! Okay, this kid needs to stop yapping. Why is all of my flight attendants here? Nah, they just walk away when they do something wrong. That's actually so embarrassing. Who's the one more person? You cannot hide from me. I think it's in first class. Oh, this boy. I'm just put here in the back. Crazy. Oh wait, is that? Wait, I, I am so. Oh wait, this PA announcement thing changed. I didn't even see that. Oh wait, where's the thing where you read updates? Forgot. Okay, let me just. Oh my God! You actually can hold it. Wait, can we hold? No. So that's. I thought we could go longer, but that's actually cool. No paparazzi. Oh, I'm going. I would love to put some paparazzi here. I hope I get a huge tip. Like 2,000 or something. Yeah, 4,000 money. Yes, let's go. I hope that happens. I wonder why there's so many cabinets, even though there's not even that many passengers in first class. Hello. Okay. People who have the smaller planes, you're lucky that you don't have enough that many like cabinets to open. There's like 1 million, and no matter what, you will just miss always one cabinet just waiting to be opened when you're just blind looking for it. That's not the last. Where the hell is it? See what I mean? Oh my, that's still not the last. Oh my God. Is it this side? Okay, it's in first class. This one. Okay. Me. Okay. I'm so. OMG, wait. This is actually so cool. Wait. Kind of looks like the Dubai airport in real life. Wait, guys. Speaking of, yeah, I really went to Dubai in real life. Yeah, this really looks like the exact same airport. I didn't went like, hey yo, my flight attendants are going to duty free for a second. Okay. Oh wait, like is the oh, there's like stairs. You could go like you just like go up here. Whoa, wait. Oh my G plant. Wait, no, this is the exact same. I have that one memory where I was like right here. I was like right here with my uncle back in 2020. I missed that. Missed those days. I was like right here playing with these things. I don't think they were on actually because I don't remember them moving. Maybe they were, maybe they weren't. This is actually cool. I mean, OMG, wait, there was actually like something like a coffee shop right here. I think. I think there was a coffee shop. I remember this. How you can't jump off it, sadly. I actually remember this, but I don't remember the coffee shop's name. I don't know if it is actually Alvedon Coffee. I remember there was so many shops. Like I think there was some over here, but that's just my memory being very bad. I mean, it was 2020, like 4 years ago, 3 years ago. Yeah, 3. How do I go down? How the hell do I go down? Okay, there we go. It's How do I go down? Seriously? I think I watched some other YouTubers doing this, so like I could get some info. Where was it? It was somewhere. Where is it? Okay, I'm just blind, okay? Your cabin crew needs to make us jump out here because I am actually blind. I think it's over there. Let's check. Let's check. If I don't find it, I'm seriously blind. Wait, did I find it? Did I find it? Did I find it? Did I find it? Please tell me I'm okay. No, I didn't find it, but I think this is the right. I think the stairs will lead me. Someone. OMG! Yes! Finally! I found it. Oh, never mind. Okay, guys, I cannot find where I was, so I'm just gonna reset and. Yeah. Okay. I'm sad I didn't get to try out the ☚ but as I said before, I have seen YouTubers try it out. Okay, go back. Okay. Oh yeah, here. It's actually kind of cool. Wait, let me just see down here. Whoa. Wait, this is actually cool. Okay, now I don't want to go up there and like see the rest of copies of those luggage things. So we are gonna straight go to the hotel. I was just looking at uniforms. Dubai Hotel. That's they just removed the D and replaced with a B. No. Okay. 204. This is actually luxury. Oh, it's right here. OMG, this is actually so cool. Wait, let me just check. Wait, curtains close. Wait, can we go outside? We can't go outside. Let me just spy on premium rooms. I can just show it. This is a premium room, I see. Oh my god. Oh wait, that's actually, they got cool. Oh my god, I hate this thing. Okay, someone just did a announcement. But this is actually so cool. I actually like this more than London. The roof is just, I mean, I didn't like the London hotel actually because the roof was something. The roof's height Ooh, I actually like that the premium, I mean, like the regular room, I mean, I want has like good things. Now, let me just see if it looks better in high quality now. Hello. Thanks. Okay. Now, time to check out of the hotel. Check out. Okay. So y'all, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Also, this is my last video before going on break. If you didn't see my community post or you can't see it, RIP TV users.